This is isometric drawing. We have to, in this video I will show you how to draw the three principal views of the given component as shown in the figure. So we can see this is the front view, this is the front view, this is the top view, this is the side view. In front view you will get this face, front face, okay, this rectangular face. Above the rectangle face you will get this face. I will show you in this video how to draw the three principal views of this component. Let us start. Select a new file, select drawing and select OK. Here select no sheet format, paper size, select it as A4 landscape and select OK. So we can see this border. So this is the our graphics area where we have to draw this orthographic projections. So let us start. Take a line command, draw one horizontal line and a chain. We will make it as thin line. Select this line, change the line weight, select this first default. Next, so this is our isometric drawing. We have to draw the three principal views. So this is the front view of length 75, height base 15 plus height 75 plus 15 mm. That is total of 75 plus 15 is 90 mm. 90 plus 15, 105 mm. Total height is 105. Width of 30 mm. Take a line command, draw one horizontal line approx a length of 75 mm followed by vertical line of height 15 mm. Again draw one horizontal line and join this line and chain. Do the dimension. Base height is, here it has mentioned as 15 mm. Enter 15, select OK. Next, length is 75 mm. Select this horizontal line, make the dimensions as 75 mm. Select OK. So this is our base height. Next we have to draw this portion above this rectangle face. We have to draw here. Take a line command from here, from this corner give some gap and start from here. Draw one vertical line, next followed by inclined, again one inclined and vertical line. Make dimension. This side is mentioned as 75 mm. Enter 75 and select OK. Distance from this point to this point is 15 mm. From this point to this point measure it as 15 mm. Here this length is 45 mm. Select this line, vertical line, and this vertical line to the dimension as 45 mm. Enter. Okay, next total length is 75 and this length is 45. Okay, we can see here 45. 75 minus 45 is 30 mm. So it is exactly placed in the center of this base. So distance from here to here it will be 15 mm. Select this vertical line and this vertical line, make dimension as 15 mm. We have done the dimension for this line, and this line also it is 75. Look at 75. Next select this inclined line and move your cursor towards down or towards upside. Make the dimension as 45 divided by 2, so it will be exactly half of it. 45 divided by 2. Select OK. So in front view this component looks like this. Now we shall draw the top view for this object, for this component. So it is going out of the graphic area, out of this page. So I'm selecting entire drawing and moving towards this down. Okay, next we shall draw the top view. Select a line, do the projection. I will change the line weight. Select the default, take a line command, project this line vertically from this point and then this line. Draw one more line from this point and change. Next, in the top view we can see this face followed by this face and this rectangular face. Total length is 75, width is 30 mm. Change the line weight, line command. Here length will be 75 followed by, draw the approx 30 mm line, again one horizontal line followed by vertical line. Make the dimension this length is 75, so this will also be 75 mm. Do the dimensioning for this vertical line. Select this horizontal and this horizontal line. Distance between these two lines is 30 mm. So width will be 30 mm. Next, from top view we can see this edge followed by this and this. So take a line command, draw one vertical line here and the chain, again one, you can see this edge, again draw one vertical line, next this point, draw one vertical line. So this is the top view. In top view the given component will look like this. Now let us draw the side view of this component. Change the line weight, take a line command, draw one vertical line, if it is not vertical, make it vertical. Next, draw one inclined line and a chain, select dimension, distance between these two is 45 degrees, angle of this is 45 degrees. Okay, next take a line command, from here project to this up to this inclined line. Next this point, next draw it vertically, from this point to this and chain, and one more line from here, draw vertical line. Next, from front view do the projections from this point, next from this line, horizontal line, from this point, and one more from the top. Now change the line weight, take a line command, from side view we can see this part, means this face and this face. So width is 30 mm, total height is 105 mm, base height is 15, this is 75 and this height is 15 mm. From here draw one horizontal line followed by vertical, again horizontal and vertical. Here comes the total height of 105 mm. So this is the base. From side view you can see this edge, from here draw one horizontal line, next here this edge also is visible, so from this point draw one horizontal line. So this is the orthographic projections for the given component. Do the dimensioning, length is 75, project here towards downside. Next this is 45, 15, shall show here, base height is 15, width is 30 mm, fifteen 75, again 15, next length is 75, width is 45, this distance is 15 mm, dimension from here to here, make it as 15 mm. This is the top view. See, we have drawn the base of this component. So this is the base from top view. Next, width is 15 mm. Take a line command. From here, draw one vertical line followed by horizontal, again vertical, again horizontal. Make dimension from here to here, it will be 15 mm. So it should be in the center of this rectangle. So 30 minus 15 will be 15 mm. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. 15 divided by 2. So now it is in the center. Next, from top view we can see this edge. So draw this edge here and chain. So this is how the object looks from the top view. Now let us draw the side view of this component. Change the line width, take a line command, draw one vertical line and chain. Now from here draw one inclined line, do the dimensioning. The angle between these two lines will be 45 degrees. Select. Now take a line command. From this point do the projection up to this inclined line and chain. Again from this point draw one vertical line, horizontal line. Again from this point one more horizontal line, and from this point horizontal line. Now again take line command. From this point draw one vertical line and chain. Again from this point draw one more vertical line, this point again vertical line, from this point again one vertical line. From front view, okay, I will move these dimensions towards this side. Okay, so we have to draw this horizontal lines. Next, take a line command, change the line width, In side view, we can see this rectangle followed by this rectangle portion, and on the top we can see one more rectangle. So from here, draw one horizontal line followed by a vertical line after this point, height of 15 mm. Again from this point, draw one horizontal line followed by vertical line. Here we have to change the line weight. So this is the line weight. Next, we can see this portion, distance between this point and this point. Here it will be 7.5 mm because this is 30 minus 15 will be 15 mm. It should be equally placed. So 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 mm. So it will come from here. Draw one vertical line, horizontal, again vertical, change the line weight. Okay. Next, from side view, we can see this part also, that is one more rectangle on the top. So that is nothing but this portion. So we have to draw here. So change the line weight. So this is the side view. So this is the three principal views of the given isometric component. Now let us do the dimensioning for the same. We shall trim this extra line. Okay, draw one horizontal line, select trim this line. It is extremely towards the left side, so select all these things and from one point drag it towards the left side. Make the dimensions. It is 75, base height is 15 mm. Next, this is 15 mm. Here width is 30. This is 45. Length is 75. This is 15 mm. So these are the dimensions of this component. So in the last, specify all the dimensions are in mm. Take a note, click on this graphical area, and type it as all dimensions are in mm. In millimeter. In the top right side corner, you can specify your register number, roll number, or your name. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.